in a perfect world, and we'll never know, we will never need to face the world alone. We can have the world and create our own. I may not be brave or strong or smart, but somewhere in my secret heart I know love will find a way. Anywhere I go, I'm home. If you are there beside me, like dawn turning into day, somehow we'll come through. Now that I found you, love will find a way. I was so afraid, now I realize love is never wrong, and so it never dies. There's a perfect world shining in your eyes, and if only they could feel it too, the happiness I feel.